Michael Love. Friday, February 5, 2022. The Earth Alliance. Global Starseed Ascension symptoms elevated. Grade 1. Are you feeling these powerful energies? Powerful waves of solar and cosmic energy are beaming into Earth right now, affecting the body, mind, and emotions in profound ways. Wednesday, February 9, 2022, 6:06 a.m. Elon Musk's SpaceX says a geomagnetic storm wiped out 40 of the 49 Starlink satellites it launched into orbit last week. Elon Musk's SpaceX said it has lost up to 40 Starlink satellites that it launched into orbit last week because of a geomagnetic storm. The aerospace company sent 49 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit on Thursday via a Falcon 9 rocket. Around 80% of those satellites were significantly impacted by a geomagnetic storm Friday, SpaceX announced in a statement Tuesday. Geomagnetic storms are triggered by disturbances between the Earth's magnetic field and charged particles from the Sun, known as solar wind, according to the Space Weather Prediction Center. Light leaders from all around the world are receiving large numbers of ascension symptom reports from Starseeds this evening, as we move into another supergalactic weekend. Strong cosmic rays are blasting the surface of the planet at this hour as the starseeds of Earth work to integrate high levels of gamma light into their layered body systems. As planet Earth moves deeper into a plasma-dense area of the cosmos, high-vibrational cosmic rays from the central sun are affecting Earth's sun on a daily basis now, and Earth is being bombarded with one solar flare and solar storm after another. High-frequency light is steaming into Earth's atmosphere in a powerful way, and a major evolution of consciousness is indeed underway on the surface. Since December 21, 2021, the 5D energies of the new golden age of Aquarius are becoming stronger each day, and a very noticeable shift is taking place on Earth as we speak. New Earth Alliance intel indicates the light leaders of Earth are stepping up their game, and a global revolution of light is about to occur over the coming weeks and months. The light being stored in the bodies of a billion Earth starseeds is reaching grand levels, and 3D humanity is about to experience a conscious wake-up that's never been witnessed. We will bring you all the details in our upcoming, new Pleiadian Light Forces data stream. Hang in there, this weekend, as you integrate this strong solar and cosmic light into your divine cells. Eat light, raw energy foods and drink lots of pure water. Slow down, rest and just take some time out. Be in divine nature, do solar yoga, meditate 1 hour, and keep those crystals nearby to channel the energy through your body and into the earth. Most of all, don't forget to breathe. We say bring on the light, and let it shine for all to see. Let us know what ascension symptoms you may be experiencing at this time. Godspeed. Michael Love. February 9, 2022. The Earth Alliance, super light streaming into Earth. A Pleiadian Light Forces space weather broadcast to the starseeds of Earth. Grade 1. Here we go again as another powerful solar blast is about to impact the planet. Energy levels on the surface will begin rising sharply tonight as this latest light wave enters Earth's atmosphere. Members of the Earth Alliance measured this super blast as an moderate M-class flare because of the energy built up in the wave over a 3-hour period after it left the Sun. The Enlil spiral magnetic sector chart shows a massive and severe wave of light headed straight for Earth, measuring in the M category, which will make impact tomorrow afternoon. We can tell you that activity levels on the Sun have recently entered a super elevated stage, and there is much more going on here than meets the eye. The Earth Alliance says inside solar and cosmic data tell an entirely different story than what 3D humanity is allowed to access, and there is certainly a degree of matrix censorship occurring in regards to space weather data and news. Just a few Earth days ago, a massive incoming solar storm totally disabled and destroyed 40 SpaceX communication satellites and several other important Earth satellites in a matter of seconds. Also, just 72 hours ago, a record-breaking X-level flare blasted off the backside of the Sun that created an unbelievable shockwave and halo that was almost twice the size of the Sun. The Earth Alliance says, if this blast had been turned Earth-facing, it would have completely turned off the 3D matrix. The Pleiadians say it's only a matter of time when the heavenly bodies are aligned just right and one of these huge flares directly impacts planet Earth. You see, this is exactly how the story ends, as the old control matrix is shut down for good by a super flare, causing conscious communities to come together globally, to form the new Earth. Light forces are very aware that after 26,000 years a grand solar flash is due to occur in Earth's solar system, which will completely elevate the consciousness of humanity and transport Earth into a new golden age. Great 1. Energy levels are going to rise around the planet over the next 72 hours, and a moderate space weather watch and tectonic plate watch is in effect for tomorrow, when this powerful light wave will impact. Starseed ascension symptom reports have been off the charts over the last 2 weeks, and there is no sign of this letting up. As we communicated with light leaders from around the world this morning, we experienced an incredible level of excitement emanating from each one, because we all know the great time of planet Earth is at hand. This is why Starseeds came to this world. Our great work on Earth has been to receive and hold large amounts of light in our bodies, anchoring a higher vibration to the Earth grid, until humanity is able to hold this light for themselves. We came to transform the energy of this world back towards goodness, freedom, abundance, and peace for all beings here. We are the forces of light that cover the entire Earth. We are many and we are a legion. We are all here now, with humanity. We are watching and waiting as a new day dawns on Earth. Dear one, magnificent light has indeed come to this world, and after 450,000 years of darkness here, the great sun is rising over the horizon, to return this world to the paradise it was always meant to be. During this incredible time, be sure to eat light energy foods and drink lots of pure water right over the next 2 days. Be in nature to ground, meditate an hour, and keep those crystals nearby to channel the energy through your body and into the earth. Most of all, when the light comes, it's best to just stop everything and rest for a moment to allow this powerful and divine energy to integrate into the cells of the body. Brace for impact and stand by for a super DNA activation. Let us know what ascension symptoms you may be experiencing at this time. Godspeed.